So for me, Curb Your Enthusiasm has been one of the TV shows that, I've watched religiously for many years. Back in the day, I also got all the box sets on DVD, and recently, obviously, been watching it more online. And literally last week, I got an email blast that Kith was doing a collaboration with Curb Your Enthusiasm as part of their kind of HBO capsule on one of their Kith Monday programs. This past Monday, that collection dropped, and I picked up a couple of items. Now, because I copped in Europe, this stuff shipped instantly, and I got it like Tuesday, which is crazy. But I'm really excited to unbox this and see what we picked up. So let's get to it. Hey, what's going on? Lukas back from the video. And today I'm checking out some clothing from the Kith Curb Your Enthusiasm collaboration as part of the Kith Monday Program. Thanks for checking out this video. If you're new to the channel, please do subscribe and also hit that notification bell to be notified when I drop a new video. You can also find me outside of YouTube on Instagram at Lukas Winn. And if you do like today's video, please give it a thumbs up, as it really does help the channel grow. Now today I'm checking out a couple of pieces from the Kith Curb Your Enthusiasm drop, which happened this past Monday as part of the Kith Monday program. For me, I saw some of the pieces in the preview, and this was a must cop. So the drop happened actually 11 AM BST in the UK, and I actually went on Kith's website probably around 11:30, I think it was, because I was doing something at the time. To my surprise, stuff was still available in all sizes, so I picked up a couple of items, and again, really happy to get this in hand. So the US drop happened at 4 PM UK time, or 11 AM Eastern, and I checked it about 5 PM I think my time, and it was already all sold out. So definitely have to get this in hand and definitely see what we got. So let's get to it. So this is literally the box that turned up. So I ordered this Monday and it arrived on Tuesday, which is insane because literally that's next day shipping. But if I look at the address, it did come from Belgium. So obviously Kith have a warehouse in Belgium, which obviously is a lot closer than New York. So hey, great for me. But yeah, let's pop this. So it's a pull tab. Okay, so alright. So all Kith Monday program drops come in this special bags, which is kind of nice. So I also did a recent review of a t-shirt I also got from the Kith Monday program, which again did sell out. I'll leave a link to that in the description, and also leave a link in the top of the screen as well, so go check that out. So as I said, we've got 3 packages here, so let's get to the first one. So alright, so this is the Curb Your Enthusiasm Kith Larry David mood tee. So you've got Larry David pose, he's sitting in a chair, and obviously it's just that kind of very deadpan pose that he's done before, quite a famous pose. And then underneath that you've got Curb Your Enthusiasm and then the Kith logo right here. So I think it's just fire. I thought this is a must cop, and it's long sleeve, so it's perfect for like autumn or winter, so definitely happy to get this. So try it on. Yeah, I like this, definitely fire. So yeah, really like this. This was £74 in the UK, so again, it's special edition. It did sell out, so happy to pay that price. As I said, the length is nice. As I said, there's nothing on the back, so I won't show that, but definitely like this. So on to the next one. Oh, incidentally, each of the t-shirts do have this Curb Your Enthusiasm and Kith on the label, so I think it's quite a nice little touch. So this is the wrong picture tee, they call this. So again, it's a picture of Larry David as himself in Curb Your Enthusiasm in an art gallery, and you've got people obviously looking at, it's supposed to be like the Mona Lisa, I believe, and obviously it's Larry David's face. So again, I thought that was quite hilarious to purchase, to be honest. We'll just try this on, so I'll put it on over this, should be fine. These are all extra large that I picked up, so Yeah, it's fire. Like this. Again, sizing is fine. No issues there. So really happy to get this. On to the last piece. So this is a hoodie that I purchased, and this was £155, so quite a lot of money, but very understated. But basically you've just got some different faces of Larry David, and then you've got the Kith logo obviously that overlays it, and then you've got Kirby Enthusiasm underneath that. It's quite a plain hoodie, but it is pretty heavy, so definitely happy to get this for the winner. So we'll just unravel this. It's no other branding, so it's very subtle branding, but I definitely like this. So let's try this on. Oh, it's kind of tight fit on the neck. Oh jeez, okay. It's kind of tight on the cuffs. Oi. Okay. So don't forget, I do have 2 additional layers of clothing underneath this, so it is a little bit tight to get on, but kangaroo pouch, standard. So I like this. The length's pretty good. It's definitely roomy. It's quite snug. Try the hood. Yeah, I like that. That's nice. I think it's fire. It's my first Kith hoodie. I know Kith do a lot of hoodies, and some of them are quite sought after. So I definitely have to get this, and I thought it was quite subtle with that, you know, that face on there. So definitely happy to get this. So what do you think of these pickups? Let me know in the comment section down below. For me, these were the must cops. I said the collection did sell out, so you know that resale is going to be quite high on the secondary market. But if you are interested, then definitely go check them out. It's a cool collaboration. I think it's really cool what Kith have done. Larry David has a huge following in the States, especially on Kirby Enthusiasm, and obviously with Seinfeld recently going on Netflix. So I think the timing of the collaboration is very good as well. And I do expect that there'll be more collaborations between Kith and HBO, and obviously HBO shows. So definitely look out for them. So again, let me know your comments down below, what you think of this collection. Did you pick up anything? Always happy to get that feedback. So thanks for checking out the video. For the kind of content you want to see, not just clothing unboxings, but you know, sneaker reviews, on feet looks, etc. Please do subscribe, and also hit that notification bell to be notified when I drop new videos. You can also follow me outside of YouTube on Instagram at Lukas Winn. And again, if you did enjoy this video, please do give it a thumbs up, as it really helps the channel grow. And until next time, take it easy, and I'll see you in the next video.